Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install driver for Canon PIXMA G4270 on your Windows computer. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Canon website. On the top right over here you can see support option. Click on support and then write down the name of your product. So in this case the product name is Canon PIXMA G4270, and then you should be able to see PIXMA G4270. Click on it. Now here you can see software and drivers. Now by default the default operating system should be selected over here. So I have Windows 10 and automatically it is selecting Windows 10. Now if you have Windows 11 you can select Windows 11. If you have Windows 8.1 or Windows 8 you can select Windows 7. You can select this Windows Vista. So you can select your operating system from here. And then now if you want to install drivers, then for download type select drivers, and here you can see G4070 says MP driver and this is the driver. So click on it. Now on the top right over here you can see the download, so click on it and then you have to run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now click on next. You can select the region. Click on yes and it will scan for your printer. Make sure your printer is on and then click on next. So follow the on-screen instruction and it will help you to install the driver and you should start using the printer. Right now my printer is not on, so it will search for your printer. Make sure printer is on and then you can click on next and it will install the driver. Just follow the on-screen instruction to install the driver. Now after the installation your printer should start working. Now if you want to download software and utilities for this printer, you can click on software and utilities and here you can see all the softwares. So this is how you can download and install the drivers and software for PIXMA G4270 on your Windows computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.